Hello, in this video I am going to show a script that has been developed in nRoBo test automation framework, and what that script is doing, it is sharing a given post uh, to different groups with a thought, with an idea along with it. So let's activate. So this is the path where my script resides, and I have activated my virtual environment by running source.pnv/beam/activate command. And now I am going to run script using nRoBo command. Let me check the version of nRoBo, that is 2024.25.0. So let's upgrade this version. This issue has been fixed in a latest version, so that's why we need to upgrade. So now my version is 2024.25.1. Let's see the version, and it's the same. So clear, and now run the script. Let's see. So script is running. And browser instance wanna maximize. So here this is taking time intentionally because LinkedIn has implemented some logic that detects bot, and here we can see it has detected, but with your credential it will not, because somehow while I was preparing the script I forget to add random weights between each steps, so that's why it picked up my account as someone who is trying to busy the server, LinkedIn server, with multiple requests. So that's why that message has come, but otherwise in your system it will not come for sure, given your username and passwords. I will explain how to pass your LinkedIn username and password later in this video. So here we can see the script has started sharing post to multiple groups. So here we can see it already shared post in Q automation group, and now it is going to share in group Python web developers with this thought message. Here we can see the repost has been successfully done, and script will share the same post to multiple groups one by one. Here we can see. So there are so many groups. So let's do one thing. I'm going to run it quickly. Let me increase the speed. That's better. It will save a couple of times because it is doing the repeated task that we already show. So there is no need to sit in front of a screen for long. So I have increased the video speed. And just see what is happening. So in order to cope with this situation where sites like LinkedIn has implemented bot detection logic, we have to add some random weights between each step in order to handle that scenario, so that our script can run without any mm, unintentional blockage by the site on which the script is running. So I will show how random weights have been added to the script after this script completes. So let's wait. Here we can see one of 26. So 26 reshares has been completed, 27 now, 28 now, 29, and so on. I think there are 49 groups. So let's wait. It's 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. By the way, this script I am going to share on GitHub as well, so anyone can go and check the script code. So here 48 shares has been completed, 49th is also completed, and now script will about to complete. So let's wait. This should be the last iteration. Let's wait. Yep, reposted successfully and script completed. Here we can see script has been completed, and let's go to IDE and let's see the results. Under results folder, open and then open report.html and open in browser. So here we can see script has been parsed, and this is the last screen when test completed. And let's see the script. Let's go. So this is nRoBo directory structure. Go to test folder. Under LinkedIn we have this script, post and share LinkedIn test, and this is the script. And then read credential file cred.yml, and so this is the repository, public repository, where this script is uploaded. So here we can see this is repository, name is rich, and this is the URL. I will share this URL in description. So this is the repository, and this is the nRoBo framework directory structure, and here I have added one script that I just ran. So this is the script, right? So reading credential, this is test file where we have supplied 3 details. One is LinkedIn URL, post URL that we want to reshare with a thought, whatever thought we want to share with our each of the shares. So regarding, let's go to script. So how you will supply credentials? So you have to create cred.yml file and save it in your project root directory. So let me open new windows. This is Sublime, by the way. So you have to supply username like this and replace your username LinkedIn, and then password colon, and then your LinkedIn password, and save this file as cred.yml and save it. So this way, script is taking credentials from cred.yml file and place this file cred.yml under project root directory, and script will get the credentials from that file and test data from test.yml. So here we are logging using credentials from the cred.yml file, and then open post link. So here is the post URL, and then what we are doing, we are clicking on repost button and then selecting option repost with your thoughts, and then posting to group, and then selecting group, and then fetching all the list of groups, and then iterating through each of the group name. And what we are doing, selecting a group and saving it, then posting from post setting model, and then writing thought, and then doing repost and doing again repost activity. So that way we are sharing our post to multiple groups. So although this script is taking much time than manual execution, but still, since it is doing automatically, it's a lot of advantageous. We can do other stuff meanwhile this script is running, and that the script is taking time because of random waits that we have already. So that's it. Thank you.